welcome back to the beautiful world of artistic bake. This is me Aarti Gupta here with a knowledgeful topic, and today's knowledgeful topic is blind baking. So let's do the blind baking with a blindfold. Right? This is what we are going to do? No. Let's have a look on the process.
We'll start by adding flour, icing sugar, and then we will pulse it and we will add chilled cubed butter, 1 or 2 pieces at a time, and we will pulse it until we get a sand-like texture. Now we will add fresh cream, pulse it again, and now to form it into a dough we will add milk. Milk will be added teaspoon by teaspoon. So once the dough starts to come together, here you can see, we will transfer it on a cling wrap. I have used salted butter. If you're using unsalted, then you can add a pinch of salt. And now with the help of a cling wrap, I will merge down the dough. Whatever flour is left behind will get mixed inside. Now I will flatten down and place it in the fridge for half an hour. After half an hour, you can see. Now we will take a parchment paper and we will transfer the frozen dough on the parchment paper, and we will cover it with other parchment paper and we will roll it. Rolling will be done with the pressing process. First we will press it and then we will roll it. While rolling, we can turn the dough 90-degree angles. Here you can see, and keep rolling it. The rolling thickness will be at least of 5 mm thickness. So after your rolling is done, just release it from both the sides, and whatever is the size of your tart mold, according to that choose a bigger size of a cutter and cut down a ring, and whatever is excess you can use it later, and transfer the cut roll on the tart mold and press it down from the edge. Keep pressing it to the sides. I'll repeat the process with the smaller one as well. Here I have the roll sheet. I will cut out the circles. Place it on the tart mold. If it becomes uneasy for you to lift up the sheet, then you can place it again in the fridge for at least of 10 to 15 minutes. Now again the same process. Press it down on the sides and in the edge corner also. And if accidentally your dough, your ring falls short, then you can apply some more dough on the edges and do the patchwork. This dough is very forgiving. It will not be seen once it is baked. So whatever is excess falling out of the ring, we can just trim it off with the help of a knife and even it out. Now we will preheat our oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And here we have a parchment paper. Just crumble it down and see to it that the parchment paper fits inside the tart ring very well. Now we will dock the tart shell. You can see this is known as docking. With a fork we will dock it and we will place the parchment paper on it. And after placing the parchment paper, we will place some grains or pulses of your choice so that it provides some weight and our pastry case doesn't puffs up. So now this will go inside the oven for at least of 15 minutes. So let's place this inside the oven now for 15 minutes on 170 degrees Celsius. So this goes inside the oven. And after 15 minutes, you can see a nice pink color, pink golden color. Now we will remove the rice with the help of the parchment paper and we will rebake it for 10 minutes more. So after rebaking, here you can see the perfect crust is ready, short pastry crust.
So our short crust pastry is ready, and once it is cooled down, it is very easy to demold it. Just push it from the back and it can easily get released, and this tart shell can be stored for at least of 1 month. Now this is known as blind baking. So I hope today's video was valuable for you. If you found it valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.